Like every other investment, the biggest challenge in crypto investment is also FUD and FOMO. If you are watching this video, chances are you don't know about FUD/FOMO, or not totally aware of these critical facts. Well, you are at the exact hub to learn practical tips and tricks on your successful crypto journey. Make sure you subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest update on cryptocurrency. Fear is the primitive emotion of every living being. When it comes to taking decision on investment, it can drive you crazy. The buzzword you are hearing as FUD and FOMO are the forms of fear that will critically determine your success in cryptocurrency investment. FUD refers to fear, uncertainty and doubt. If you are hearing lots of people talking negative things about the coin you invested on, your fear kicks your thought processes, and you feel uncertain. You will lose everything shortly. Doubts comes in your mind that it's not going to gain soon. Upon FUD, every investor will be taking action, but very few is going to be the winner. Yes, it's a game of your head. If you keep your head straight to the chart and do the proper technical analysis of your investment, you will be the guy who gains with FUD. How? Once you have FUD, stop panicking. Keep your pre-planned strategies in your head and keep digging into chart. If your analysis is showing it's bad time, you need to take action and sell, you do sell. And if you see, it's just another social media BS, you grab the opportunity of buying new from who are selling with FUD. Now, let's talk about FOMO, it's fear of missing out. This comes in your head once you see any coin is climbing as ATH, all-time high. You keep thinking that you are missing out those climbing values. You need to invest now even though the price is high. FOMO gives you an impulse in your head to buy. But to save yourself from taking the wrong investment, you have to see the chart and learn, research about that particular investment and then decide. To sum up, you have to keep all your fears and sync those with your technical analysis before you take any decision. To learn more, subscribe our channel and check our organized playlist. Happy investing!